a cake.
Hi guys, we are gonna decorate our cakes that
Yeah.
Mom made today.
Yeah,
We're gonna decorate them with this icing bake.
Yeah, icing bake is super important
Marcus
because
has
it's
an icing bag right here. Marcus. This icing bag, you have to tie it around.
Yeah.
Now we have to measure that. Who has the most ice cream?
I do.
There's someone Marcus's bottom. Okay, let's start decorating.
Yeah.
This is harder than I thought.
How to draw a cake. Yeah? I didn't see you. My cake I just made is perfect. Boo! That! You! That! Boo! That! Boo! That! Mama, I say, vanilla cake. Vanilla I can do it, Mom. How many cakes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 cakes. When 4 cakes are eaten, how many are remaining?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 cakes.
I win! Yes! 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 I
You have to
win!
decorate the sides.
Who wins first is the Rocky Egg winner. You hurry up first. First is first. And where Rocky Egg winners wins is the winner. I'm gonna win. Stretch. A sturdy cake. A touch to my cake. First to my was the Rocky winners. It's my deal. Yum.
You have a lot of frosting.
Yeah, I have a lot of frosting. That's right. Stain everywhere on my hands. Ah! Ah! Mom, I got everywhere on my hands now and then. I say, come out. I say, come out. I say, come out. I say, come out. I don't have any more.
Complete the pattern. Cake, frosting, cake, frosting, frosting, cake, frosting, frosting. Wow, that's a lot of frosting. Let me take some.
Hey, you ruined it now. I would have ruined it.
No, looking beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Nom, 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 nom.
Hey, I did creamiest.
You want this piece right here?
No.
And your first piece.
I just two. That looks beautiful.
Mommy, my turn. Can I have some? Can I have some of my cake? Which one is different? The second one. The fourth one. If you're someone who wants to, check out our video, then try this cake. Yeah!
That's pretty good. Yeah, I'm frosted.